You can see guys, this is my stew with Korean style. Diba? Yummy. We'd have star anise. Yes, so yum. Ayan guys, nag-oven tayo ng ating onion, garlic. Lalagyan natin yung beef. Yan. Yung pinirito natin sa pilas. Ito lang na half cook guys. Sabi na. Tapos after that guys, dami natin ng chicken broth or water. Mag-add tayo guys ng small amount of water kasi ilalagapan natin yan ng 1 hour. Add natin ang seasoning. So, light sauce. And then, nilagyan ko na konting black sauce. And then, yeah. Halo natin. Tapos, lalagay natin ito guys. Star anise. Yan. Tsaka lagyan lang ninyo ng pampalasa nyo. And then after that, okay na yan siya guys. I-boil lang ninyo ng 1 hour. Okay na yan siya guys. Leave it na until na okay na siya. Soft and tender. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching and see you for the next one. Bye. Subscribe my channel.